Question 131. Can you discuss a time when you had to adapt to a sudden change in project requirements? How did you manage it? In a past project, we faced a sudden shift in requirements when a major funding body altered its reporting criteria. I quickly organized a meeting with stakeholders to understand the new expectations and reevaluate our project timeline. By breaking down the revised requirements into actionable tasks, I adapted our project plan accordingly. I also communicated openly with the team, ensuring everyone understood the changes and their implications. To minimize disruption, I prioritized tasks based on urgency and impact. This proactive approach allowed us to meet the new requirements without compromising quality or deadlines, strengthening team cohesion in the process. Question 132. Describe how you would implement a data governance framework in an academic setting. Implementing a data governance framework in an academic setting involves several key steps. First, I would establish a data governance committee, consisting of stakeholders from various departments to ensure diverse perspectives. Next, I would define data ownership and stewardship roles, clarifying responsibilities for data quality and compliance. Developing clear policies and procedures for data access, sharing, and security is essential, ensuring that all stakeholders understand their obligations. Training programs would be implemented to educate staff on data governance principles. Finally, I would leverage technology solutions to automate compliance monitoring and reporting, fostering a culture of accountability and trust in our data practices. Question 133. How do you ensure that academic content distributed across multiple platforms retains consistency in formatting and quality? To ensure consistency in academic content across multiple platforms, I establish clear guidelines and templates that outline formatting standards, style preferences, and quality benchmarks. Utilizing a centralized content management system, CMS, allows for streamlined updates and version control, ensuring that all platforms reflect the most current content. I also implement a review process where designated team members check for adherence to the guidelines before publication. Training sessions are essential to familiarize all contributors with these standards, fostering a shared understanding of expectations. Regular audits of published content help identify discrepancies, enabling continuous improvement in content management practices. Question 134. What experience do you have with machine learning applications in an academic context, and how would you leverage them? I have experience applying machine learning algorithms to analyze academic performance data and predict student success. In a previous project, I utilized regression models to identify factors influencing student retention rates. By leveraging tools like Python's scikit-learn, I was able to pre-process data, train models, and validate results. I would leverage machine learning for predictive analytics in various academic contexts, such as identifying at-risk students or optimizing course offerings based on enrollment trends. Implementing these insights can help institutions tailor their support services and improve educational outcomes. Additionally, I advocate for collaboration between data scientists and academic departments to align machine learning applications with institutional goals. Question 135. How would you approach designing a scalable architecture for an academic research portal? Designing a scalable architecture for an academic research portal involves analyzing user requirements and expected growth. I would begin by selecting a microservices architecture to allow independent scaling of components, such as user management, content storage, and analytics. Utilizing cloud services like AWS or Azure provides the flexibility to scale resources dynamically based on traffic. Implementing a robust API layer would enable easy integration with other systems and services. I'd also prioritize data security and compliance by employing encryption and access controls. Finally, I would implement monitoring tools to track performance and utilization, ensuring the architecture adapts to evolving needs efficiently. Question 136. What techniques do you use for data cleaning and pre-processing in academic datasets? Data cleaning and pre-processing are essential for ensuring data integrity in academic datasets. I typically employ techniques such as identifying and handling missing values by either imputation or removal based on the context. I also standardize formats such as date and text fields to ensure consistency. Utilizing tools like Python's Pandas library allows for efficient manipulation of large datasets, including filtering out duplicates and correcting inconsistencies. Additionally, I apply outlier detection methods to identify and address anomalies that could skew analysis. This rigorous cleaning process is critical for producing high-quality, reliable data for academic research and reporting. Question 137. How do you balance the need for innovation with the need for reliability in academic production processes? Balancing innovation with reliability in academic production processes requires a strategic approach. I encourage a culture of experimentation, where team members can propose and test new ideas in controlled environments, such as staging areas. This allows for innovation while minimizing risks to existing workflows. I prioritize thorough testing and validation of new processes or tools before full implementation, ensuring that reliability is not compromised. Regularly collecting feedback from end users helps identify areas for improvement while maintaining a focus on quality. Ultimately, this dual approach fosters an environment that embraces innovation while upholding the integrity and consistency essential in academic production. Question 138. What approaches do you use to ensure effective collaboration among cross-functional teams in academic projects? Effective collaboration among cross-functional teams in academic projects relies on clear communication and defined roles. I initiate regular meetings to align team members on objectives, progress, and challenges, fostering a culture of transparency. Utilizing project management tools like Trello or Asana helps track tasks and deadlines, ensuring accountability. I also encourage open feedback channels, allowing team members to share insights and concerns freely. Establishing shared goals and metrics promotes a sense of ownership and collaboration. Finally, I facilitate team-building activities to strengthen interpersonal relationships, which enhances collaboration and leads to more successful project outcomes in academic settings. Question 139. How would you evaluate the impact of a new academic program on student outcomes? To evaluate the impact of a new academic program on student outcomes, I would employ a mixed methods approach. Quantitatively, I would analyze key performance indicators such as retention rates, graduation rates, and course performance metrics before and after program implementation. Utilizing statistical methods such as regression analysis would help determine the program's effect while controlling for confounding variables. Qualitatively, I would conduct surveys and focus groups with students and faculty to gather insights about their experiences and perceptions. This comprehensive evaluation would provide a holistic view of the program's effectiveness, informing future decisions and potential adjustments. Question 140. Describe a challenging project you managed and the key lessons learned from that experience. I managed a project to overhaul our academic publication system, which faced significant resistance from stakeholders due to concerns over changes to workflow. Initially, I underestimated the importance of stakeholder engagement, leading to delays and frustrations. To address this, I implemented regular communication and feedback sessions, allowing stakeholders to voice concerns and contribute ideas. This collaborative approach not only increased buy-in but also improved the system's design based on actual user needs. The key lesson learned was the value of proactive communication and stakeholder involvement in project management, ensuring smoother transitions and better outcomes in future initiatives. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.